Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I have a mi charger from mi.com. Now we can unboxing this product. Now guys, you can see this product, Xiaomi 2 ampere fast charger with cable, BIS certificate charger, 12 मीटर की माइक्रो USB केबल and 380 voltage surge protection, overheat protection. This charger cannot overheat. See its features. Xiaomi 2 ampere fast charger. Now unbox it. Pull it. Now guys, you can see it. MFG name, brand company, India PVT Ltd. And it's USB cable. Now you can see is micro USB portable USB cable. Now guys, you can see it tag MI. This product especially comes from MI company and or Xiaomi. Original charger, 2 ampere fast charging. Okay guys, thanks for watching ETS Aerotech special, and your very thanks to support my YouTube channel. Now meet in next video and with other different product. Bye guys.